and Sri Lanka. For Kane Williamson, match 41. And he angles it into the front pad. And
very confident. Chances with the ball.
Experience.
Sal Pereira.
Edge, and oh my goodness, it's got away from Tom Latham. This time he holds on. Tim Southey, what an opening over. What a start for the vet. Charging, he's walking towards Tim. Gets the swing away, and he gets swung away too. Over a lead. Stop 4 there by the beautiful World Cups. This could run away for another boundary. It does. To no avail. Southey's got it on a dime. He's liking just well enough over the top of won't matter where he is on that particular occasion. That is the first 6 of the afternoon. Oh no, Southey unlucky again, and Mitchell, it is so could be out. Yes, Rachin Ravindra, he's been bit
On top.
Edge, and Mitchell takes the catch. He's gone across. Samarawickrama, New Zealand are on fire here. Southey again, searching for that outside edge. Oh, hello. I think we know how he's going to play it. Gone. Oh, over the top of cover this time. He's playing some wonderful shots, and Williamson.
This guy.
Another gap. Behind point 4, yet another bound
Today.
And clipped, I think, clipped through the onside, and that will be another bound.
Get that. It's gone over the top of around about where a leg slipped. Drives, full toss, 4. It's not a good start. Another boundary. This time it's for us. Can't get it.
Century.
We nipped back inside edge. Inside edge, I think I heard 2 noise.
All tracking coming up now. It's pitching outside off, impacting line, and weak
So far.
And on that.
Bander traps him in front. I hadn't noticed anything in
Faster. Good bouncer again.
concern for him. He's back on it today.
Went for the 1983 team.
Straight up, Williamson coming around. Does he want it or does Santner want it? One of them should take it. There was confusion the whole way. You can. Ooh, goes for the pull shot. Does Dhananjaya De Silva.
Now the order.
Drives, lovely shot from Angelo Matthews to get off the mark.
I remember also Knicks.
Fine this time and fine enough to get past Trent Bolt. Santner.
Yes, Mitchie.
Situation. This time he beats the field. Third's very fine and gets to the boundary.
51.
Lofted, one stride, high little 9-iron wedge shot, and there's another.
Oh, set. That's beautiful.
Edge, Mitchell does the rest. He's threatened, and now he's delivered to Santner. Another Sri Lankan heads. He's done it again. He's done it again as Santner. He gets his second, and again it's.
Oh, vision. That's going to be 4. A good shot. He's bowling very slowly.
Yes, Rachin.
That's
See that? So not really going.
career superbly after that. A bit like Marwan Atta, but another wicket has fallen. Yep. Lockie Ferguson's second. Think of short leg. Jamika Karuna.
Sri Lanka need a little bit more of that. More. Another one. Back-to-back boundaries. Oh, down it goes. Spinning it the same way. And immediately picks up a wicket. Floated up outside the form batters of the World Cup. So that should be worth watching.
Talking about New Zealanders. It's just spooned away nicely. Over backward point.
He probably felt like he...
Back live. Slogged away towards cow corner. And off a touch straighter.
Oh, yeah, got him this time. A little edge. He's enjoying every moment. He'll enjoy that as well.
Rachin Ravindra. Try and blunt Madhushanka, who's brought the new ball back against the right-hander. Gets on top of it. He just trots through, but Dev, you can save your legs early. Pretty even first over, fourth. That is the sound that you're talking about. Just crisp off the bat. End of the over. That's nice from Conway. Just eased into that. And that'll fill him with confidence. Edge between keeper and slip. Now he's into his work. Conway just bangs down on it a couple in a row to the fence. Positive over, 14 from it. Lofted, one step, see you later.
To also keep your eyes open. Beautiful. Eyes open for this one, surely. We're talking about important.
Sound off the bat said six the moment it rocketed away. This time he shows his skill on the offside.
Jarred the bat, hit it hard. Can't bowl there. You cannot bowl there, Devon Conway, saw digit or not. Oh, that's ambitious and extremely successful. Great. It's gaps as well. That's one of his other trademarks. And that was with it. And that is quite a comfy on the charge and hit it straight to mid-wicket. Devon Conway, for some reason he got frustrated. A couple of blows around the hand area. And the reasons they have a gully is because Williamson does that. Yes, got it. He got it as well. I've struck twice. Bang, bang goes Sri Lanka. And that was pretty awkward for a guy. And straight away, Mitchell gets into the action with one of those.
And it's not the first time.
Oh, he missed out there. He could have hit that 95 rows back. There he goes straight down the ground. He loves that kind of area. Very.
That's good from Tikshana, just pulling him wide. Russell. Mitchell's playing some shots early here. He's reverse ramping, he's hitting sixes, he's reverse. Punched and timed. He's just a player of such class, is Kane Williamson. There was a shout of catch it. Unless you're in the crowd, you're not doing that.
Harold Mitchell.
Tugged away, one bounce, and New Zealand are in a hurry to get this done. Chopped on, Angelo gets Kane, and the third wicket falls as he throws his head back and walks off. Down the leg side. Sliced that away. Out to the boundary. Rustin. Oh.
Early 20s. Lanka, Sadira Samaravikrama.
2 men up inside the circle, so Phillips. Well, he gets that past short, fine legs, left hand. It's a good placement. Chipped it, but only as far as cover, and that is a good catch. That is a really good catch. Thing is, Lanka out there diving forward. Phillips drives and drives firmly. He does well, actually, because it was very full, but he's very... And that is a comprehensive way